Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make an LED fade in and out using an Arduino Uno. So let's get started with the introduction. This project is perfect for beginners who want to understand the basics of pulse width modulation with Arduino. We use this to control the brightness of the LED by varying the voltage that the LED receives over time. So exactly what is pulse width modulation? Imagine you have a switch that can turn the LED on and off very quickly. By turning the LED on and off at a different rate, we can control the average voltage time it receives. Let me explain you with an example. If the LED is on for 25% of the time and off for the 75% of the time, it's look dim because it's get less voltage. If it's on for the 50% of the time and off for the 50% of the time, it's look moderate bright. If it's on for the 75% of the time and off for the 25% of the time, it's look quite bright. In our project, we use this to smoothly fade the LED in and out. This done using the analog write function in the Arduino code, which allow us to control the average voltage the LED receives by adjusting the on and off times. So now we look for the components we needed for this project. So first we need a breadboard. Second we need a Arduino Uno. Third, we use some jumper wires to connect the circuit, one LED, then a resistor that is 220 ohms, then an USB cable that connect the Arduino with the PC. So let's start with it. So now first we place the LED on the breadboard. Next we take 220 ohm resistor and connect one end to the same row as the short leg of the LED. Connect other end of the resistor to the another row on the breadboard. Then we connect this with black jumper wire with ground pin in Arduino Uno. Then we take a red jumper wire to connect the positive side of the LED to the pin number 9 in Arduino Uno. Now the time to connect the Arduino Uno with the PC. So after this connection, we can write the code in IDLE. So first we open the Arduino IDE, then we start writing the code, then we initialize the variables. We initialize brightness to the 0. This variable will store the current brightness of the LED starting at 0. Then we initialize fade amount. This is store 5. This variable will determine how much we increase or decrease the brightness in each step. Then we create a setup function. We set pin number 9 as an output pin. This is necessary because we need to send signals to the LED to control its brightness. Now we create a loop function runs continuously in a cycle, allowing the LED to keep fading in and out. Then we create an analog function to set the brightness of the LED based on the current value of the brightness variable. Then we update the brightness to increase the brightness by the fade amount, make the LED gradually brighter each time the loop runs. Then we reverse the fade direction. If the brightness reaches the minimum or a maximum, we reverse the direction of the fade by the negative fade amount. This makes the LED start fading in the opposite direction. Finally, we add the delay on a 60 milliseconds to create a smooth fade effect. You can adjust this delay to make the fading faster or slower. Now here we have a final demonstration of this project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on making LED fade with an Arduino Uno. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Arduino projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching.